And that call-out means...
orbit insertion.
That call-out means the final burn for this booster.
Impact shutdown.
Stage 1 landing leg deployed. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And another successful landing of our Falcon 9 rocket. Again, this was the 7th launch and landing for this first stage, the final Falcon booster to land on Just Read the Instructions. And we also had confirmed good orbit. And back in space, the second stage is continuing its mission to deliver SV10 to orbit. The next major milestone will be the second startup of the Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage, also referred to as SES2. That's coming up at about the T plus 1 hour and 3 minute mark. So we'll be taking a break and be back just before SES2. In the meantime, enjoy the views and space jams.